Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the AIB transaction not working. First, refresh the app by swiping it up from the bottom of your screen. Look for the AIB app, swipe it away, wait for a few while and reopen it. Then, sometimes transactions take a moment to appear. Next, check your internet connection and make sure that it is stable. A poor connection can stop the app from updating your account information. You should also log out of the app and log back in. This refreshes your account data. Then, head over to your App Store or your Play Store, search for AIB Mobile, and update your app to the latest version. Updating your app ensures you have all the latest files and bug fixes, so update it. Then, if the transaction still do not show up, wait for some time because banking transactions may take a while to process and show in the app. That's how you fix the AIB transaction not working or showing. Subscribe for more simple and helpful guides.